Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube to desktop. So to start, open any browser and search for YouTube. Then click the first one, make sure it's the official website. So once you open YouTube, so in the address bar on the right side, you should see a computer icon with an arrow. So if you click on that, so you can also install YouTube from here. So click install and it will be installed to your desktop. Now, if you can find this option, what you can do is to click the three dots in the top right corner, then scroll down and look for Cast, Save, and Share. Then look for Install YouTube and select that. Then click Install, and it will be installed to your desktop. And that's basically it. If you want to pin this to your taskbar, go to your taskbar and right click on YouTube, then just click Pin to Taskbar. If you want to unpin it, right click on it again, then click Unpin from Taskbar. Now, if you're using Microsoft Edge, so open Microsoft Edge and search for YouTube. Then open YouTube, and once you open YouTube, so click the three dots in the top right again. Then just scroll down and look for More Tools. Under More Tools, look for Apps. So hover over to Apps, and under Apps, just click Install YouTube as an app or install this site as an app. Then go ahead and click on that, then confirm the action. So here it says open in YouTube because I've already installed it. But if you haven't done so, just click install this site as an app. Then it will be installed to your desktop, and that's it. So if you want to uninstall this, just click the three dots right here and click uninstall YouTube. If you can't find the option, just go to start menu and go to settings. Then on the left side, go to apps. Next, go to installed apps. Then search for YouTube in here. So once you see it, go to the right side and click the three dots. Then click uninstall. Confirm the action. And as you can see, it's now uninstalling and it's now uninstalled. So if you see another one, just click the three dots, then click uninstall, click uninstall again. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.